Hello candidates, welcome to MCQforall.com. I'm your host Amit, and this is the second part of the video where we have discussed in the last part about VIT Triple E entrance, and in this part we are going to discuss about how to prepare strategy for VIT Triple E exam. So VIT Triple E, as I have already explained you in the last video, it have a slots which is almost near about the date of IIT mains entrance exam. So do you really require to prepare it exclusively for VIT Triple E? I don't think so, and you also should not go for that. If you are preparing for IIT that's sufficient. If you have prepared serious enough. If not, then of course you may have to prepare separately, but not exclusively for VIT Triple E. There is no special criteria for VIT Triple E. But few of the things which we have to keep in the mind, going by the last few year experiences and the previous year papers. The level of the questions which comes into the VIT Triple E, you can you can think of as if we keep BITSAT and JEE mains at one level, and then going below that, if you put another level and then another level, the third level, uh, you can expect that level of questions into VIT Triple E paper, because physics and chemistry questions seems to be really easy, and mathematics part sometimes it varies year to year, but sometimes comes tough, but most of the times those are easy questions which comes into the VIT Triple E paper. So you should not be worried, and if your basics are clear and if you have done enough practice, then sufficient. You don't have to go, or in fact you don't have to worry about the complexity of the questions. So first thing is this. Second thing, if we say like there is no negative marking into the paper, so be relaxed, and if you don't know anything at the last point of the time, you have all the you have all the rights to select all the questions, answer whatever way you want to feel. But do it at the last portion of the exam when your time no, when you've used your all the times mindfully. Now coming to the part of the books, if you want to refer any books, any special book. So first of all, there is no special book into the market. The only book which I can see, or I can see of the quality book, is of Arihant publication, which says about 15 mock test and short paper of VIT Triple E, and that too is of 2014 publication. It means that the first book came into 2014. So I mean, anybody can guess, Arihant publication, they want to make money. Anybody want to make money. So in that way, since this paper is quite popular, number of candidates filled for VIT Triple E as equal to JEE mains. So they saw the opportunity, and they exclusively made the book with a random question from here and there from their own different books, and they made the sample paper of 15 with the solution, and then they have kept it over there. So only one quality book into the market. What are the other options of VIT Triple E preparation? Because if you think that if you are not prepared enough for JEE mains, then is there any special thing? We have a exclusively prepared section for VIT Triple E on MCQforall.com, and there you will get around nearly 100 tests under PCM, physics, chemistry, and math. And previous year papers are on previous year paper plus mock test papers are around into 12 to 13. So that's sufficient number of papers, and all that whole thing, this online test, the papers, the study material, will cost you only 250 rupees for a month period. If you talk about the Arihant, it will cost you around 340 rupees. That's the amount which is given on the Flipkart. And if you go onto the book, you may get or may not get on the discount, but still it will be more than 300 rupees which you have to pay for that book. So comparing that book just for the previous year paper, it's good if you can go for mckforall.com, because there you get the other candidates too preparing for the paper. And while attempting the questions, you'll be able to see your rank for that particular test, your percentage, your percentile, and you can improve in the case if you feel your preparation is not good enough for VIT Triple E paper. So MCQ for all is always there for you for VIT Triple E, plus any other like JEE Mains, which is the most important paper for any engineering background candidate. That's it from now. Thanks for watching us.